Hello everybody, so today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is about find the solution of x. So now I will show you the technique. We put about the power 3 in the both side. So we do about factorization with x minus 2. So we got about x minus 2, x square minus x plus 3 minus x square minus 2x plus wrong. This is number 4 plus 4 greater than number 0 in here. So we have x square and x square that will simplify. Oh, this is positive, this is negative. So for x with negative x, you got about 3x. Number 3 with negative number 4, you got about negative number 1. So we have two solutions. The first one, that's about x minus 2 is greater than number 0 and 3x minus 1 is greater than number 0, or x minus 2 is smaller than number 0 and 3x minus 1 is smaller than 0 in here. So you got about x is greater than number 2 and x is greater than 1 over 3. So we will choose about x is greater than number 2. The next one, similar. So in this situation, we got about x is smaller than 1 over 3. And now we have the solution. That's the end. Thank you for watching.